Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Najiya Qonita. I'm from Class 1B in Kuningan University English Education. Now I would like to read one title from this book. This is the book when I study English in VCC. The title which I choose is Explanation Text. Definition of explanation text. Explanation is a text which tells processing, relationing, performing of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. Explanation is text to say why and how of the forming of the phenomena. It is often found in science, geography, and history textbooks. Generic structure of explanation text. First, general statement is stating the phenomena issue which are to be explained. Second is sequence explanation, is stating a series of steps which explain the phenomena. The characteristic or language feature of explanation text. First, featuring generic participant, sun, rain, and many others. Second is using chronological connection to begin with, next, and many others. And the third is using passive voice pattern and simple present tense. Example, rainy day. Rain is primary source of fresh water for most areas in the world, providing suitable conditions for diverse ecosystems as well as water, hydroelectric power plants, and crop irrigation. The phenomenon of rain is actually a water cycle. The concept of the water cycle involves the sun hitting the earth's surface water and causing the surface water evaporate. The water vapor rise into the Earth's atmosphere. The water in the atmosphere cools and condenses into fluid that flows. The droplets grow until they are heavy and fall to the earth as precipitation, which can be in the form of rain or snow. However, not all rain reaches the surface. Some evaporates while falling through dry air. This is called virga, a phenomenon which is often seen in hot, dry desert regions. Example explanation text. Why summer daylight is longer than winter daylight? In the summer, the amount of daylight that we get is more than we get winter. This is not because as much people think we are closer to the sun, but because of the tilt of the earth. The earth is actually closer to the sun winter than it is summer, but you would be forgiven for thinking that this cannot be true after looking out of your window on a cold or frosty morning. It seems strange that as the earth gets closer to the sun during its orbit, then the amount of daylight that we get decreases. But this is the case. It is the tilt of the earth that determines the amount of daylight we get of the length of time that for us sun is above the horizon. And next, generic structure analysis and explanation text sample. First, general statement is stating the phenomenon that is the daylight in summer is longer than is winter. 2. Explanation is it is the tilt of the earth that determines of amount of daylight, not the distance of the earth from the sun. Language feature analysis on explanation text. First, focusing generic participant is daylight. Using chronological connection is then, so, and but. Third, using passive voice is you would be forgiven. And the last is using present tense is the earth is actually closer to the sun. Okay, that's all the material was I read. As last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.